Jack goes to school. Jack was a boy. He was 7 years old. Jack went to school every day. He woke up at 7 o'clock. He ate bread and cheese for breakfast. He put on his blue shirt. He took his green bag. He said goodbye to his mom. Jack walked to school. He saw his friend Ben. Jack and Ben walked together. They arrived at school at 8 o'clock. Jack sat in the classroom. His teacher's name was Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith read a story. Jack listened carefully. He wrote with his pencil. He drew a red apple. The bell rang at 12 o'clock. Jack went home and ate lunch. Know that you have listened to the story. Learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. Was Jack a boy or a girl? Jack was a boy. How old was Jack? Jack was 7 years old. Did Jack go to school every day? Yes, Jack went to school every day. What time did Jack wake up? Jack woke up at 7 o'clock. What did Jack eat for breakfast? Jack ate bread and cheese for breakfast. What color was Jack's shirt? Jack's shirt was blue. Who did Jack see on the way to school? Jack saw his friend Ben. What was the teacher's name? The teacher's name was Mrs. Smith. Did Jack listen to the story carefully? Yes, Jack listened carefully. What did Jack draw? Jack drew a red ball. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.